Hello, assalamu alaikum. So what I did today, I cleaned my bathroom and it's really very hard here. When you come abroad, like this is the filthiest part of it. You are now need to clean your own home and bathroom, and for me, I wasn't used to it. I was like my mom when we were kids. My mom all the time she was pushing us for studies, so we were all the time busy in studies. We wasn't a brilliant student, but like study is the backbone of life in Pakistan for kids. So she always said you need to pay attention on your studies and we'll do the further work. Actually, in Pakistan there is a culture of homemaids who come daily for cleaning the home. So people, mostly like everyone nowadays, got a home help. So we got a home help who come for the morning like 2 hours and she cleaned the home. That's it, nothing else she did. So when I came here, it was really very hard for me, especially cleaning the bathroom when you don't have a central gutter in bathroom. Here mostly homes are like, all the homes are made up of wood. So if there is any water leakage in the roof, it's really very risky for the whole house. When we were living in last house, it was rented. So mostly what started, the bathtub, it starts to leak sometimes. And in my last two houses, the bathtub above of our home, they start leaking up, and the whole ceiling was like tore down because of that water leakage. So yes, the hardest thing was to learn how to clean your home, because I was very lazy for cleaning stuff. Like, I don't know why I still, after 10 years of my wedding, I like pick up myself. Come on, Sidra, come on, get up, clean your home. Yeah, I know everyone is not like me, but I'm like this. So I'm not lazy. Like if you ask me, Sidra, come on, we're going out for market. Oh, I'm ready. Come on, we are cooking this. Oh, I'm ready. Come on, we are going for hotel or we are going out for anything. I am ready for. But if you said, come on, Sidra, we'll do cleaning, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to do. So it's just me. Anyways, I want to share a tip what I am doing. Actually in 2019, when I went to Pakistan, so before going to Pakistan, I went to local boots. Our local boots, they were, as I was telling you people yesterday, I always went on clearance shelves. Those shelves are my favorite shelves. I'm not a miser person, but it's like everyone loves to save money, isn't it? You love to save money, I love to save money. So if you are getting a good product on clearance shelf, what harm in that? So it's the Dr. Oinkens or Dr. Oetkens. I'll find the photograph on the internet. Dr. Oetkens, I think, hand wash bottle. This is actually what we said, foam hand wash bottle. Before now again say, are you a geek? Actually before, usually in all public toilets we use hand foam bottle, hand foam dispensers, but I wasn't aware that hand foam dispenser are available on home too, like for home usage too. So when I brought it at home, and after my first pump, I realized that it has foam in it. Like it dispenses foam from it. And I was like, wow, what's this? Yes, you are right. So then my kids, they are like super wasty kids. Like they waste so much hand wash. If you are putting a hand wash bottle here, it will be gone off in 3 days time, max 3 days. So then I checked the filling of the bottle, and I realized that I came to know that it's just soapy water, and the dispenser is getting like the built-in power pump, which is converting that soapy water into foam. So what I'm doing now, from like September 2019, I'm bringing the bath soak like from Lidl or Aldi, because they got the cheaper one. And as you all know, bath soaks are concentrated than the hand wash. So I mix up bath soaks and little bit of water. It got old coconut. Yay! Then I filled up this water in my soap dispenser every 5 days, like every 5 days. So this bottle, it runs around for 1 month or 1 month and 1 week, like 5 weeks. So I think this is my favorite tip for saving you money, because, and the plastic too, because from 2019 I'm using this soap dispenser, like foam soap dispenser, and I'm really very happy because I'm saving so much plastic. Although these are also coming in plastic bottles, but I can't find them in like pouches, because they sold it like this. So but the thing is, I'm just buying 1 bottle of bath soak, and that bath soak is like I use it for like 6 weeks, and I'm really very happy about this savings tips. I hope you like this one. And other tip is, whenever you went into shower, after shower, spray your shower walls with this window and glass cleaner, so they will remain clean for a long time. And when you are doing cleaning on weekly basis, it will not such hassle to clean the walls. I hope you like my videos. Bye bye. Bye bye. So this is my second recording. First one was just deleted by mistake. So when you are starting cleaning, first of all, make your food ready for that day, like what you need to do, what you need to eat after finishing up your cleaning home. So this way you will be not exhausted, and don't overburden yourself by thinking about cleaning. You can't be perfect. Everyone is different. If someone is cleaning their house in very well manner and you can't, so she is different and you are different. You can't compare yourself to others, because everyone has different abilities, everyone has different personalities. Yes, make a timetable for yourself, like which day you will cleaning which room. This will help you to manage your home, and you can manage cleaning routine more better way. Don't buy a lot of toiletry or cleaning stuff. Buy whenever you want it, and buy in limited numbers, so it will help you to maintain your budget, and also help you to maintain cleaning the home, because the more you buy, it's more harder for you to manage them. I hope you like my video. I just want to share some tricks and tips with you people. These days I'm painting my daughter's room, and we are working on a design. I hope I will gonna share that design with you. It's a galaxy theme. She chose the galaxy theme. I was thinking to paint some butterflies and forest thing, but she said she wants some galaxies on her wall. So I don't know how it will gonna come out. I'm just working nowadays on it and taking some pictures of that. I hope I'll gonna share that with you people very soon, and you like it. Till then, you take care, have a nice day ahead, and bye bye.